Nikolai Disoyo. I'm here to discuss the SDLC waterfall method and model. The waterfall model was the first process to model to be introduced. It is prepared to as linear sequential life cycle model. It is very simple to understand and use in a waterfall model. Each phase must be completed before the next phase, and there is no overlapping in the phases. Waterfall model was the first SDLC to be used widely in software engineering to ensure the process of the project. The waterfall approach, the whole process of software development is divided into separate phases. In this waterfall model, typically the outcome of one phase is as the input for the next phase sequentially. And here is the and waterfall model, there was 6 phases. First, requirement gathering and analysis. All possible requirements in the system to develop are captured in this phase. And implementation of requirements specification testing. The second, system design. The requirements specification for the first phase are studied in this phase, and the system design is prepared. In this system design includes specifying hardware and system requirements and defining the overall system architecture. And the third one is the implementation, with inputs from the system design is the first developed in a small program called units, which are integrated in the next phase. Each unit is developed, tested for its functionality, which prepared to as unit testing. And the fourth one is integration and testing. All the units developed in the implementation phase are integrated into a system after testing of each unit. Post integration, the entire system is tested, only faults and failures. And the fifth one of the diagram of waterfall model, deployment of system. Once the functional and non-functional testing is done, the project is deployed in the customer environment and released into the market. And the last one of the diagram, maintenance. There are some issues which is come up in the client environment. To fix those issues, patches are released to also enhance the project. Some better version are released. Maintenance is done to deliver these changes in the customer environment. And that's all for waterfall model SDLC.